because you too.
It's where the truth is.
It's yet another day on this earth. Ever since I tried installing my operating system onto OfficeCat's computer. What? What now? I haven't even done anything to crash my laptop. We interrupt our Windows session to bring you OfficeCat error. What? Are you fucking kidding me? Also, Sebby, is that you as the fucking narrator? Maybe. Anyways, OfficeCat told me that he launched his error on your system for revenge of last time, where you gave him your... There will also be a bomb with a timer on it. It will wait...
Don't do that. Don't turn off your computer. You just lost a chance and the timer went down. Samber, I swear to God, stop turning off your computer.
Well, if you don't want...
Get out!
Can you not block your screen with Dave and Ava? Even though that wasn't a turn-off, you will still lose a chance. Please keep your gay ass... Stop! Just stop, you fuck... bitch. Stop! I've had enough! If you turn off your computer once again, I will be in evil mode!
I'm not scared of you.
Move your hand from your... You'll regret that. Samber! How dare you turn... Stop fucking turning off your goddamn system, you fucking shit ass!
Feel it!
Look at the time! It's not that long, you can wait it out!
I want a break from this. I'll go onto my phone and play Slider Scouts.
Sorry, I forgot to mention that wasn't an option either. I won't make you lose a chance for that. Anyways,
Turn off your system one more time, and I'll be in my .exe mode.
Bet.
Stop already! You've caused enough damage to my error! Just keep your system on for 30 more minutes! Is that too much to ask for?
Kinda, yeah. I'm not the best waiter.
Really? Really? You're on your last chance. One more turn off for anything bad, and you'll have to enter the code. It's 15 minutes. You can wait 50 minutes, right? You ADHD having...
No. And for calling me that, I'll turn off again.
It's code time. Get it right, you get your system back. Get it wrong, you lose your...
What's your precision?
Do your worst.
Oh my god. Okay. Sorry, I couldn't do it. I got it.
Oh my god, not again with the frickin' I can't even say these freaking ads!
Haha, that code is correct. The correct code was 326151.
What? No, that's not correct at all. This is a already error above. It should be 4, 8, 15, 16, 23, 42. It always is. True.
Well, I added a bit of a spin to mine. Of course, I'm not gonna do the same as everyone else. My name is Copy. Now that you put in the wrong code, you lose your system. Your whole system. Say goodbye to all your files.
What? No! Stop it! Wait!